3053 Bradford padlock renovation video. Front screen door, back handle is broken, needs to be replaced. Screen mesh is also torn, needs to be repaired. Front door, 2 window panes are broken. A black piece of paper covering it up, needs to be replaced. You can see several stains on the carpets. I don't think it's going to come up. It needs to be checked out. Going to replace a total of 5 blinds, either broken or missing. It's going to be large touch-up paint. It's not our color, it's white. Full paint throughout it was off. Appears to be pink paint splattered here on the wall. It's got onto the kitchen towel. It needs to be checked out. I believe it'll come up. I know power to check any appliances or water. Small trash out. A few things left on. There's writing on the refrigerator and the freezer doors. I tried to wipe it. I believe it's going to stain. It may come up. Mildew stains in the refrigerator and the freezer. Maggots in the freezer. It may come clean if not replace the refrigerator. Small hole here in the ceiling. Needs to be repaired. Paint chip and a small crack in the bathroom door. Needs to be repaired. Got possible mildew stains throughout in this bedroom. Needs to be checked out and repaired. Stains in this carpet as well. Possible mildew again in the shower. As well as behind the toilet. Need to be checked out and repaired. Toilet seat is broken. Needs to be replaced. The toilet's tight. Missing toilet paper roll. Sink stopper works. Jam in this bedroom door has been broken. It needs to be repaired. May need to be replaced. Check it out. More possible mildew.